Anusuya. Today we will be focusing on balance. So what is balance? Is that we lift one leg up, balance our body, whether we are moving or we are standing, completely grounding, or what is actually balance? Balance actually is more on focusing your thoughts, focusing your mind. What is yoga? Yoga is not only gaining the flexibility what you are looking for so that you can stretch your complete body thoroughly. No. It's about finding the inner peace within you. It's about gaining the focus. So focus can change many things in life. You can become a very calm person once you start focusing and once you start balancing your body, your mind and soul. So today, let's start with few postures and see how we can focus on our balance. Let's start with a basic balancing pose. So, get your feet closer as much as possible. Your palms intact with your thighs. Now once you feel you're comfortable standing in a firm posture, standing straight, keeping your spine erect, then slowly you can lift your left leg up just 1 or 2 inches above the ground. Stand balancing. Focus. Keep a focus or gaze anything right in front of you so that you stare at the same point throughout. That's okay if your body keeps shaking, but keep your feet completely grounded. Hold the posture for about 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now slowly you can just come out of your gazing point. Slowly you can drop your feet down and go with the same on your other leg. Now slowly lift your feet up, gaze at the same point, focus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now slowly get your feet back to the ground and relax. Now what is the difference between the focus and the balance? Balance is what your body takes. This is your balance, this is not your focus. The focus is what you would be gazing at a point to keep yourself in a balanced manner. So your body is balanced based on your focus which is happening through your mind. So your mind should be completely free of thoughts. I know which is very difficult for us to handle that. On our daily go and basis, we have so much of thoughts in our mind. When we start gazing at a point, I know we start thinking about many things around us happening, but still, let the thoughts go, but you keep focusing at a point. What if I say there's a bird right in front of you, a tree is there in front of you, a bird is sitting on the branch. I tell you to gaze at the bird's eye. So for some time, say about 2 minutes, the bird is right in front of you. You start to gazing at a point. Your body is balancing because you're gazing at a point. The bird suddenly flies. Oh, you miss the focus. Your balance is back on the floor. You miss your balance because the bird has flew away. That's not the focus. When I say focus at or gaze at a point, you're going to gaze at a point even though that object is moved from that place. Your balance should be completely focused at that point, not at that object. Okay? So let's start with our next posture. Now what if I say, let's get back to our same posture again with a little single leg, balancing. now I tell you to close your eyes. So you will have many questions in your mind. Okay, I close my eyes but I'm still gazing at a point. What happens to that point? That's the reason I gave you an example of a bird. The bird flies away, but the point you are gazing should not move. That's the focus, what we are focusing on. So though I close my eyes, the focus still remains the same. So let's go back to our posture. Slowly balance your asana first, or balance your posture first. Get firmly grounded. Start gazing at a point. Forget your eyes are opened or closed. Gaze at a point. So you started focusing, and then slowly I say close your eyes. I know initially it's very difficult to balance because your eyes are closed, but I don't think your focus is moved from that point. Your eyes closed doesn't mean you have to shift your focus. It's just little challenge with your balance, but I'm sure you will go through it. Second or the third day. Very good. Keep balancing it. Keep focusing or gazing at the same point. Now slowly open your eyes and relax your leg down. So let's do the same on our other leg too. The first stand firm. Slowly lift your feet up. Start focusing at the same point. I say to close your eyes now. Keep gazing at the same point. That's fine. If you start losing your balance, you can go back. Focus is very important. That's the mindfulness. When you focus, your body acts accordingly. Relax your feet down. Relax your leg by shaking a bit. Okay? Let's get on to our next posture. Let's assume there's a chair behind me, which is invisible for now. I'm going to sit on the chair. I sat. I folded my hands. This is a chair sit. We all should be familiar with this posture. Now I slowly lift my heels up. When I lift my heels, yes, my hip goes up, but I again put my hip down so that I firmly sit on the chair and hold the posture for 10 counts. 1, 2, beginners who struggle to hold the balance, take your fingertip, try to hold the wall, touch the wall with your fingertip and hold your balance. Others, please try to engage your core and sit on this invisible chair. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now slowly come up on your toes. Put your heels down. Relax your hands. Relax by shaking your leg or moving around your mat before you start with your next posture. Our next posture would be a goddess pose. So let's all spread our legs. Let's get on to our deep squat. Make sure your knees and your toes are aligned. Go as deep as possible. Hold this posture. You can fold your hands. Now slowly, one after the other, you can go on your toes. Hold this balance. You can even now gaze at a point so that your body is balanced. 1, 2, you might be shaking, it's okay. Please continue to hold your posture. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can see my legs are trembling. 8, 9, and 10. Before landing my heels down, I slowly come up and then I put my heels down, get my feet together, release my hand and relax. Our next posture would be Garudasana, eagle pose. So let's all stand in the center. Lift your right leg or your left leg up. Slowly from taking it forward, wrap around your other leg. Hold the balance. Now your hands in front and wrap the same way. Hold the balance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now I continue the same with my other leg. I take my other leg up, I wrap around. If you need any help, take the help of your hand to get wrapped and your hand in front and try to hold the balance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. I slowly come up, unwrap my hand and wrap my leg. Relax your leg by shaking or take a walk around your mat before you settle down.
I hope you all have enjoyed this session. Let's focus on every area and every aspect of yoga where we include flexibility, lung capacity, our balance, focus, so that our mind, soul and body are always together for our well-being. So till we meet next time, have a good day everyone. Thank you.